know that 1 week ago I have decided to give some task to myself, and now I will review that how much things I completed or not, or what I learned from this week, and what is my learning of this week, and everything I will share with you. So to be very honest, I will not say that I have achieved something very big, or I have my life has just changed, completely changed just in 1 week. Nothing just happened like this, and it was like I was not able to complete my all the task. I did meditate on the regular basis. I did practice on my spoken English, and I'm also continue on that. And but the thing is, I was somewhere, I feel like I was not able to give my 100% on my studies. So that's thing I wanna say here, and I will try to do better next week. And I wanna read a letter, so I hope that will help you to know yourself more. It was my self talk letter, so I wanna read it with you also. So now I'm starting that. Right now, what I am feeling right now, I am feeling like I need to push myself so that I can get closer to the things that I want in my life. Right now, I want to be very honest with my own self. I tried doing things so lightly, but then too I'm not able to get so much result out of that. So right now I wanna evolve where I am lacking. What more should I do? To be very honest, I feel like somewhere within me I want to fix everything as early as possible. But things doesn't work out this way. It's take time, uh, and sometimes I feel so much anger on myself because for so long I tried to make myself understand this, that things takes time to evolve. But now I realize that it was taking so much time of my energy. So now I want to tell myself that it's okay to feel this way. It's also a part of my journey, and right now I am in this phase where I stand up and I fell down, and then I start from zero again. And right now I am trying to be easy with myself, and this feeling in my own journey where I am growing very slowly and then feel down and then start again. This has taught me that here I don't need to quit, but need to hold on myself, my things, and things will eventually start coming into my favor. This thing will never matter how much time I take. At the end, the thing will matter for me is that what kind of personality I have become. Thank you so much. So this was my letter. I hope you will also try to do best in your life. I am also trying to give my best, and I'm just recording my journey, so it's not like I'm just faking that I have done everything or everything has shot out. Things take time, and it's okay, and I'm totally okay with that if the things are taking time, because the habits take time to be built. And thank you so much if uh, you listening till the end. Thank you so much. Radhe Radhe.